Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to visit Gunung Lambak. After 2 years of COVID, we finally can travel to Malaysia. So today I'm going to bring you around Gunung Lambak. So let's go. Gunung Lambak is located in Kluang, Johor, which is the nearest mountain closest to Singapore. It has a height of 510 meters, approximately about 1,673 feet. Gunung Lambak is a moderate difficulty mountain, which makes it best for beginners to try out. The best time to climb Gunung Lambak is between 10 AM to 2 PM. There is no payment or permit required to climb Gunung Lambak. Okay, 20 minutes in, we are almost halfway to the midpoint where you see the big sign. So, let's go. Alright guys, so here there's two paths. If you go straight here, that's the easy and long route. Will take you probably about 1 hour 40, 1 hour 30. Okay, or you can go to the route here. This one is much steeper. This one usually take you under an hour to complete. Okay, for today's video, we will go up here, and then we will go up, and then we go down through this side. Okay, so about 40 minutes in, to wait for the rest of the people. The summit of Gunung Lambak. Okay, we took the longer route, longer but easier because we were bringing a group over. So we find it up here. We're going to take photo for a while, for about half that, maybe 10-15 minutes, and then we will make our way down. Right? Meanwhile, I'll show you the view here. we are the hard short route. Okay, just need to be hyper-focused because it's very steep going down. Right guys, so we just reached down. We took the sort of steeper route down. So it took us about 35 minutes, but it's very dangerous. So you need to actually be hyper-focused because there's a lot of like loose rocks around. But once you reach down, it will actually be faster than going down the normal route. Right, so we got a bit more before we reach the bus. So let's go. Here's 3 tips to consider before making your way to Gunung Lambak. Firstly, ensure that you bring 2 to 3 liters of water during this hike. The weather can be warm, so stay hydrated. Next, wear proper hiking shoe. Wear hiking shoe with proper support and traction. There will be plenty of loose rocks. Wearing proper hiking shoe will prevent you from rolling your ankle. Lastly, pack light, but remember to bring along a light snack and a rain jacket just to be safe. I hope you have found this video useful. Do help us by liking this video, sharing and subscribe to the channel. With that, as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe everybody.